Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. In today's lecture, we will study Unit 1, Fun at School. Today's target will include new vocabulary words, their meanings, and then you will be using those words in your creative sentences. And at last, we will learn how to write in a sequence. So, let's get started. First of all, let us learn the new vocabulary words. First word is follow. Repeat after me. Follow. The second word is ready. What is the word? Ready. The third word is friends. Friends. The fourth word is playground. What is this word? Playground. Then lesson. Lesson. The next word is art room. Art room. The next word is wonder. What is this word? Wonder. Library. What is this word? Library. Amazing. What is this word? Repeat after me. Amazing. Once. And the last word is over. Now that you have learned the new words, let's learn their meanings. The first word was follow, which means to come after. Ready means all set. Friends are people who know you but are not your family members. Playground means a park. Lesson means subject. Art room is the room in school for arts. Wonder means think. Library is the room having books. Amazing means very good. Once means one time. And over means finished. Now that you know the new words and their meanings, learn them by heart and then use those words in your creative sentences. As we know, the first chapter is time to go to school. I want you to open page number 2 and 3 and you will listen to the audio and then we will do the activity. We know that Usman lives in UK, so come, let's go and visit his school and see what he does there. I want you to open up page number 2 and focus on what I am reading.
Time to go to school. I'm going to school. Follow me to see what I will do today. I'm ready for school. My books and my lunch are both in my bag. The best thing about every morning is seeing my friends in the playground. My favorite lesson is art. Can you see my art room? Lunchtime is always fun. I wonder what my mom made for me today. I love to read. Our library has amazing books that we can take home once a week. School is over, and it's time to go home.
Okay, now that you have seen what Usman does in school, let's go through it once again. We have come to know that Usman does everything in a sequence. First, he gets ready, then he goes to school, then he has a lesson, and after lessons he enjoys lunch. Finally, he goes back home. Now we have an activity to do. You will have to write in sequence what you do every day when you return home from school. For example, after returning home, I change my clothes, then I do wuzu and pray Zohar. After praying, I take a nap. Now, in this way, you will have to write what do you do after returning home from school. Thank you.